The Internet of Things (IoT) widely spans from the smart speakers and Wi-Fi connected home appliances to manufacturing machines that use connected sensors to time tasks and an assembly line, warehouses that rely on automation to manage inventory, and surgeons who can perform extremely precise surgeries with robots. But for these applications, timing is everything. A lagging connection could have disastrous consequences. Researchers at the University of Pittsburgh are taking on that task, proposing a system that would use currently underutilized resources in an existing wireless channel to create extra opportunities for lag-free connections. The process, which wouldn't require any additional hardware or wireless spectrum resources, could alleviate traffic backups on networks with many wireless connections, such as those found in smart warehouses and automated factories. The network's automatic response to channel quality, or the signal to noise ratio (SNR), is almost always a step or two behind. When there is heavy traffic on a channel, the network changes to accommodate it. Similarly, when there is lighter traffic, the network meets it, but these adaptations don't happen instantaneously. The researchers used that lag, that is the space between the channel condition change and the network adjustment, to build a side channel solely for IoT devices where there is no competition and no delay. This method, which the authors call EasyPass, would exploit the existing SNR margin, using it as a dedicated side channel for IoT devices. Lab tests have demonstrated a 90% reduction in data transmission delay in congested IoT networks, with a throughput up to 2.5 Mbps over a narrowband wireless link that can be accessed by more than 100 IoT devices at once. The IoT has an important future in smart buildings, transportation systems, smart manufacturing, cyber-physical health systems, and beyond. This research could remove a very important barrier holding it back.